In this video, I'll show you how to fix image generation not working in ChatGPT. So, first, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner and then click Settings. Next, click Personalization, scroll down to Memory, and click Manage. Most of the time, image generation doesn't work because you have too much memory stored on your account. You can remove individual memories by selecting one, clicking it, and then typing "delete this memory" in ChatGPT to remove it. Or, if you're happy to remove everything, click the three dots, select Delete All Memories, and confirm. After that, click Data Controls and delete all your chats by clicking Delete All and then confirm deletion. Once you've done that, go back to your profile icon, click Log Out, and sign out of your ChatGPT account. Then sign back in and check if image generation is working. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.